What's up, beautiful people? My name is Annie J. If you did not know that, now you know. So let's get right into this video. 100 subscribers is a milestone on YouTube. I cannot say less about that because you have to get to 100 before you get to 1000. I mean, do you understand what I'm saying? And also, 100 subscriber helps you to unlock two features, which is you'll be able to live stream on your mobile phone on YouTube app. And number two is you'll be able to customize a URL to avoid impersonation of your channel name. So the first step into getting 100 subscribers is family and friends. Yeah, I've said that. Family and friends, you have to involve your family and friends on this journey. It's as if you're starting a business and then the first customers you get basically are family and friends. But this is another way around. You have your family and friends subscribe. You also have your family and friends post on your social media platform like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook. Let them just help you to advertise to their own family and to their own friends. Definitely that's going to attract some few people from their side to your channel to be like, okay, this person is posting about this, let me go and check it. Definitely your friends have loyal families too. So let's say you get 10 family and friends to subscribe to your channel, and then 10 family and friends bring 2 subscribers each. That is, you have 10 family and friends as subscribers, and then you have 2 people from each of them. That is 20 family friends from subscribers. That is 30 family and friends as your subscribers already. And some of them can bring more than that, some of them can bring lesser than that, but at least the first few subscribers you're getting is from family and friends, which is not bad. The second point or the second step you have to follow is social media. Make use of every social media platforms you belong to. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever it is you belong to and you know you're thriving. Some people are having easy because you're already popular on other platforms, but even if you're not popular, at least you have 1 or 2 audience listening to you from another social media platform. So it's only right for you to post on your social media platform informing them that, oh, I have a social channel, I want you guys to check it out. Leave your links, leave short videos if you have them. Like what I do is, before I post on my YouTube channel, I go and then I leave a short clip of what my video is about, making them hungry to want to see more of what I have posted, and thereby they click the link, they come to my video and watch all my video. Another thing about social media is your video has to be very, very enticing, because if that short clip is not enticing, most people wouldn't want to know what the video is about. They just scroll, and even if they come to the video at first and it's not interesting, they might not want to try another video. So you have to make your video interesting for people on social media. Believe me, they don't know you, so you have to convince them on why they should come to your YouTube channel and check out your YouTube page. So that is number 2. Let's go to number 3. The third step is commenting on other YouTubers' channel, both big and small. Small works in this way, like take myself for an example. The moment I'm a small YouTuber, but the moment I see a message from somebody, a comment, I want to go and know, okay, who is this person that really enjoyed my video, or who is this person? And the moment I notice you're a big YouTuber, you're a small YouTuber, the moment I notice you're a YouTuber, I am just compelled to want to subscribe to your channel. So that's how it works for basically all YouTubers. Not all, I can't say for all, but some YouTubers, I've gotten like a few subscribers from just commenting on other people's video. Like I go, oh nice, and don't go about people's video commenting nice one. No, 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 that's not it. They're definitely going to know that, oh, you're just looking for attention. No, comment something useful, something inspirational, something you got from the video, something tangible. Is it that it's funny? Is it that it's educational? Some of my subscribers came from vidIQ. vidIQ is a channel that talks about how to grow on YouTube basically. So I went there, I saw a channel, and it was really useful to me. I commented on how useful it was to me and all that, and some people instantly knew that, okay, for her to be here in the first place, she's a YouTuber. Because who is not a YouTuber that will be learning how to grow and be a better person on YouTube? So some of them started subscribing, and then immediately I subscribed back to them. So when dealing with big channels, leave insightful comments, leave helpful comments, leave funny comments, leave educational comments. Just leave a comment about something you got from the video, not just, oh, nice video, or you look good. No, 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 don't do that. You're going to be like, you're spamming their comments, something like that. And one thing I would say is, don't go around commenting on people's YouTube channel sub for sub. YouTube is going to penalize you for that. and if your channel is reported, it can be deleted. So we are going to come to that point fully, but please don't go around commenting on a YouTube platform sub for sub. No, please don't do that. The fourth step is posting your videos consistently. Be consistent on YouTube. I know you've heard this from a lot of bigger YouTubers, a lot of small YouTubers. Me, you're hearing it from me again. Be consistent. I can't say I'm 100% consistent, but I'm working on consistency. Like, I want to be posting my videos 2 to 3 times in a week, because what I notice is whenever I post a video, I get views, and views add up to watch hours and watch minutes. I get views, and people that like that particular video subscribe. There is no time I post a video that I don't get some subscribers. So I said to myself, instead of 1 week posting once a week, or once a week, yeah, that's 4 times in a month. That's I'm basically getting subscribers just 4 times in a month. Why don't I post 2 times or 3 times in a week and keep getting subscribers and keep getting people to watch my video? Because if you don't know now, before you start your YouTube channel, you have to know that you are only given 1 year, 365 days to achieve your goal on YouTube. That is to make 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So as a new YouTuber that wants to grow, I think consistency is key. You have to be consistent. Post your videos consistently, and that will definitely get you tons of subscribers and watch hours, and that's all what we want. So yeah, it's a good point. Guys, if you're still here to this point of this video, I really appreciate, and I hope you've learned a thing or two to apply into growing your YouTube channel. But there's something I would like to say before leaving this thing. Things a new YouTuber or a growing YouTuber should stay away from. Number one, I would like you guys to know that you have to stay away from sub for sub. Yeah, it's actually very heartbroken, and I've not probably been lucky with it. I cannot even lie, I've done it sub for sub. But why I said it is very heartbreaking is the fact that at the end of the day, you tell someone, you go on probably Facebook, and then you tell someone sub for someone, and they tell you, oh, I have subscribe to mine, and then the next day they are nowhere to be found. They've unsubscribed. Yeah, they've unsubscribed. And just imagine you're on 90 subscribers on your way to 100, and you're like, okay, this is a major milestone for me, I'm so excited to be on 100. And then you go on Facebook, meet people, and then they say, okay, sub for sub, and they want to subscribe to your channel. And at the end of the day, they have they say they have subscribed, and you're so excited, and then you get 100 subscribers, and then you go to sleep and wake up and find out that they did not subscribe. It's usually very painful, and it can make you discouraged. It can make you get tired of YouTube. It can make you lose hope that your channel is ever going to grow if a whole 10 subscribers is subtracted. So guys, stay away from sub for sub. And also, sub for sub on the YouTube platform can get you penalized, and you wouldn't want that, and can make your videos or your YouTube channel to be taken down. You wouldn't want that. So stay away from sub for sub. Sub for sub doesn't literally help anyone. Yeah, I said that. Another thing to stay away from is paying money for people to grow your YouTube channel. Basically, I haven't really experienced that firsthand, but don't pay anybody to grow your YouTube channel for you. I know people that have done that, and then at the end of the day, they will pay. They definitely will see the subscribers. Probably you're at 100, and then you pay, you get to 1,000 subscribers, and you're happy. But the algorithm knows what is happening. The algorithm knows robots from human beings, and the algorithm subtracts robots from human beings. So if you're a robot, or someone helps you to buy subscribers, they are definitely buying robots, because how can you buy 1,000 human beings to subscribe? I don't know if you get that point. So definitely, if you post your video on Instagram, this happened to me personally, a lot of people will come to your DM saying, oh, we can help you grow your channel. All you have to do is to pay $30 to grow 5,000 subscribers, or $100 to grow 1,000 watch hours. Please stay away from them. I want you to know that it doesn't help you grow your channel organically. Grow it genuinely. Just grow it. Keep posting, keep doing the hard work, and God sees your hard work, and He's definitely going to reward you. Your channel is going to blow up. Today, start that channel. You're thinking, you're procrastinating, oh, I don't want to start now till I get a camera. Oh, I don't want to start now till I get the biggest ring light. Oh, I don't want to start now till I get the biggest lead light. No, all you have to do is start. Me, I have started, and I'm using my iPhone 6 and natural light. and you guys are watching my video. So all you have to do today is start that channel today. Don't stop procrastinating, stop waiting. And another advice is do things that you enjoy doing. Don't force yourself to do things. Do things you love. If your passion is cooking, start a cooking channel today. If your passion is sewing clothes, start a sewing clothes channel today. Just start something today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and expect more videos, more educational videos, more inspirational videos from me. Thank you all. I love you. Peace.